Unlock the world of captivating landscape photography with the finest camera choices available. While capturing landscapes appears uncomplicated next to the fast-paced demands of action or wildlife photography, delving into the intricacies unveils the necessity of distinct features in a top-notch landscape camera. Don't just capture nature, seize its every nuance and essence with cameras tailored for this enduringly beloved genre. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for landscape photography you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Sony A7R4, a true masterpiece in the world of landscape photography, securing its spot as the 5th best camera for discerning photographers. This mirrorless marvel boasts a robust set of features that elevate your craft. Marvel at its staggering 61-megapixel full-frame sensor, unrivaled in the realm of full-frame cameras. This sensor, beautifully paired with Sony's FE lens mount, captures every intricate detail, painting landscapes with breathtaking precision. With an artful dance of hybrid AF, 567 phase detection, and 325 contrast AF points, your focus is impeccably sharp, ensuring your landscapes are nothing short of awe-inspiring. The 3-inch tilting touchscreen, boasting 1.44 million dots, invites you to explore new angles, breathing life into your compositions. Embark on a journey of speed, capturing fleeting moments at an impressive 10 frames per second, ideal not only for landscapes but also for dynamic subjects. Don't let shaky hands hinder your vision. Leverage the 5.5-stop in-body image stabilization for handheld brilliance. Despite its power, the A7R4 maintains an elegant weight of just 655 grams, keeping your adventures nimble. While the A7R4's handling holds its own, the Z7 II beckons as a slightly more indulgent partner. Yet, fear not, for this A7R4 generation stands as a resolute champion for landscape enthusiasts. The pinnacle of capability, the Sony A7R4 stands at the modest price of $1,960, a gateway to capturing nature's beauty with uncompromising finesse. Meet the Nikon D850, a true masterpiece in the realm of landscape photography. Ranked at an impressive 4th position among the best cameras for capturing breathtaking landscapes, this DSLR gem boasts a colossal 45.7 megapixels full-frame sensor that crafts stunning, lifelike images. Its 3.2-inch tilting monitor, crowned with 2,360K dots, provides an exceptional preview of your masterpiece. For those who treasure the tangible, the D850 flaunts an optical pentaprism viewfinder, a preference that seasoned photographers still hold dear. While mirrorless advocates bemoan the bulk of DSLRs, the D850's robust build proves advantageous when paired with hefty lenses, a vital point often overlooked. Unleash your creative prowess with an impressive 7 FPS continuous shooting speed, a figure that escalates to a riveting 9 FPS with the optional battery grip. Speaking of endurance, the D850 emerges victorious with a staggering 1,840-shot battery life, leaving its mirrorless counterparts in awe. Dual memory card slots stand as a testament to its uncompromising excellence. Priced at $2,796, the Nikon D850 is more than a camera. It's a gateway to photographic finesse and enduring performance. Discover the Canon EOS R, securing its place as the podium holder for the top 3 cameras tailored to elevate your landscape photography. This mirrorless marvel packs a 30.3 megapixels full-frame sensor, an artful canvas for your sweeping vistas, and intricate nature details. The lens mount, a Canon RF, offers a gateway to visual excellence, giving life to your creative aspirations. Navigating the terrain of innovation, the EOS R pioneers dual-pixel CMOS AF for seamless autofocus, while the 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen boasting 2,100,000 dots becomes your window to a world of possibilities. Unveil your landscapes in mesmerizing 4K, albeit with a slight crop, and immortalize the soul of a scene. The Canon EOS R's legacy persists, a testament to Canon's maiden voyage into full-frame mirrorless territory. While the notorious touch bar might be a faint echo, the camera emerges triumphant, a polished emblem of reliability. Accompanied by Canon's RF14 to 35mm f4 is USN lens, this duo becomes an unstoppable force, molding reality into exquisite frames. Surpassing mere virtue, this aging beauty also proves budget-friendly, a steal at $1,239, a fraction of its contemporary counterparts. Your journey to landscape artistry begins here with the Canon EOS R, a fusion of legacy, innovation, and affordability. Introducing the Nikon Z7 II, your companion for captivating landscapes. Ranked as the second-best camera for landscape photography, this mirrorless marvel stands as a testament to Nikon's innovation. Unleash your creativity with its impressive specifications. With a mighty 45.7 megapixels full-frame sensor, the Z7 II paints your world with breathtaking detail and clarity. Its compact design, lighter than its DSLR sibling, the D850, ensures comfort during prolonged shoots. A 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, boasting 2,100,000 dots, empowers your artistic vision. Swift and precise, the 493-point hybrid phase contrast AF brings landscapes to life, effortlessly conquering even challenging conditions. While rivals offer higher resolution electronic viewfinders, the Z7 II's electronic viewfinder remains excellent. Unlock a realm of possibilities with an array of Z-series mirrorless lenses and delve into the past with F-mount options via the FTZ adapter. Surpassing its successor, the Nikon Z9, renowned for its sports focus, the Z7 II provides unparalleled value at $2,195. Say hello to the Fujifilm GFX 50s, reigning as the unrivaled champion at #1 for landscape photography. This mirrorless marvel redefines the game with its medium format sensor boasting a staggering 51.4 megapixels, a feat that guarantees shots dripping with exquisite detail and a dynamic range that dances with light and shadow. What sets this camera on a pedestal is its fusion of power and portability, a symphony that traditional medium format cameras have long imbibed. Weighing less and designed to be wielded with ease, it crushes the stereotype that exceptional quality demands unwieldy bulk. With 425 contrast detection points, the focus is a masterpiece, rendering every detail in perfect clarity. The 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, embellished with 2,360,000 dots, transforms settings navigation into a delightful pod they do with technology. Its 3 FPS max burst speed ensures that fleeting moments are eternally captured, while full HD video capability adds versatility to its repertoire. While the 100 megapixels GFX 100S might be its big sibling, the GFX 50S II emerges as the democratic option, offering brilliance without breaking the bank. As the sun dips behind the horizon, it's your window to enchantment, and all of this can be yours at just $3,199. Unleash your inner landscape virtuoso. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.